Hello guys, I'm Sharon Colby and I'm figuring how to make an loom ring. You only need 2 bands, and I'm using a black band and a pink rubber band. I'm using this loom and I'm using this fork. And you can use the metal one here and the small one, the plastic. So this pink rubber band or other color band, I'm gonna put it.
So connecting. Kailangan i-request ko rin connecting flight, no? Para di siya mabiyaan.
Here. Don't push it down.
Original booking.
Do not push it down. Not too up. So this black band.
Change sked ba? Dili sila musugot. O nya, tanga ko ng Cebu Pacific, Deb. Girabook sila. So walay, pag-check na ko ron, walay flight. Diba? Ang Manila to by December 26. Wala may flight December 26.
This
Mura route na lang po, Deb. Gikan na lang sila Davao, Deb. Sugot man. Kaya sa feeling sila, wala na. Kasi kung 26 wala, hindi nila matake yun. Patay na. Anong date na? 27 na. Well, 11, December 11, January 11.
And
11 yata.
this.
Ay, January 1, Pilay, January 1. Tama ka.
Oops.
Oo.
Put
Oo, yun.
under and get your hook.
Tanga, yun, Deb.
And
Tanga, yun. May na lang nag-check ko karon din ko tan pahadi ka pwede 26 dili. So ana na pud ko sige tanawon na ako sa schedule sa 25. Pagpili ko ng 26, Deb. Wag you flight. May book sa 26 na ko talaga itong Cebu Pacific. Hindi, kasi di ba, Deb? Yung normal, yung ika-cancel nila yung ika-cancel nila yung first flight kasi December 25 na. Di ba? Ipang-cancel na nila. Mo na itabo.
there we have 2 bands on the hook, and this on the last band. Take it off the hook and push it down to the band on the loom.
Kaya nga, Davao gani.
See, push it down.
Kasi sa Jensan, kung
And
mag-Jens,
take off
Manila,
the
Dubai,
band on the loom and
ang
take
flight
it off
dito,
on your
alas 12
finger
mabot,
and
alas 4 ang Manila, Dubai, apat.
take
Pero ito din, pwede
off
diba? Davao, Manila, alas 10.
the band on the hook on
Pwede
the
diba? 4 hours
loom.
pa. Saka problema na ng airline yun, connecting ito dapat.
See?
No? Sige. Try ko daw, tingnan ko daw kung anong kalidad nito mga ungas na to. Oo, dapat connecting kasi ang original booking nila connecting flight.
See?
Diba? Tapos may seat, may baggage. Ito, kailangan ibalik nila
Thanks
lahat.
for watching my video.
Sige.
If you like it,
Thank you.
give thumbs
Okay,
up
bye-bye.
and subscribe it, please.